Hello and welcome to the Crazy Chef. This episode we're going to do a chicken dish and we're going to show you the ingredients to start with like we always do. So let's start with some granulated garlic, you know, of course, our favorite. Some ground black pepper and some dried thyme leaves right there. And we're going to use some rosemary. We got fresh rosemary. If you don't, dry rosemary. We happen to have some fresh. Some green onions, scallions, chives, whatever you have. And we're going to use an orange or lemon, but we use an orange, and margarine or butter, softened. You want it soft. And of course, our main ingredient, cut up chicken. Here we go. Does not look delicious at this point in time, but you wait and see in a little bit, folks. Okay, those are the ingredients. Now we're going to start working and putting it all together. Okay, folks, we're back. Little intermission there for you. Did you go to the snack bar? Okay, here we go. So we got our pan that we're going to bake the chicken in, and we're going to do something a little different. As you see, we sliced an orange or two or three in the bottom of the pan and layered it. That's going to give it an aromatic taste to the chicken that it hasn't had before. Now, you can use lemon if you want something a little tart. We're using orange because we happen to have fresh oranges and we like a little sweetness. Now, all those ingredients, we made a butter out of it. We got the margarine, the scallions, the garlic, the pepper, the thyme. We made a paste out of it. Now, we're going to place our chicken in here, skin up, because we want it to brown. That's the whole reasoning. If we put it skin down, it's not going to brown because we got oranges. Hello. All right, so we're going to put all of our chicken in there, place it in, and then we'll come back and show you how to cover it with the batter. Okay, folks, so we placed our chicken parts in there, skin up. Now, my assistant asked me a question, folks. I, of course, being the chef, knew the answer. She said, on a drumstick, which side is skin up? It's always the top. Come on, people. It's always the top. All right, now we're going to start putting our batter, which is all the spices. See how that? We're going to layer it on top of the chicken. Spread it out as much as you can, because that's going to be the flavor. All the garlic, the pepper, the thyme, it's all in there. And we'll come back as soon as she's got it all covered up for you. Okay, folks, you see how my lovely assistant did that? Now, we're almost ready for the oven, but remember, we have fresh rosemary we're going to sprinkle on top. Just throw it around. That aromatic flavor will enhance into the chicken meat, and you're going to get something beautiful. Now, preheated oven. Come on, people, what is the number? That's right, 350. 350 preheated oven. You put this right in like that. About 40 minutes later, we're going to go in and check it. Make sure everything is still there, the chicken didn't run away, and the juice isn't burning. And then 10 more minutes to finish it off and make sure it's cooked. I'm saying 50 minutes. You got a big chicken, might take a little longer, but 50 minutes at 350. We'll come back as soon as that's done. Okay, folks, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. I think we'll get a little drumstick here. Now remember, we get this out of the way, get the drumstick here. You can get some of the orange flavor. But remember, this is Tia Rosa's orange baked chicken. Now remember, Aunt Rosa's orange baked chicken. And she makes a hell of a French fry too. Okay, now, let's cut into this. Oh, my. Look at that. Spot on. You know? Oh, I can taste the orange. Like I told you, if you want a lemon, you could put lemon. But, Cia Rosa's orange baked chicken. And you know, if worse comes to worse, tastes like Grand Marnier. I swear to God, this is Grand Marnier at its best. Okay, remember, cena pronta. Dinner's ready. Dig in, everybody, and thank you again. Buon appetito.